Good morning, students. Let us start today's online class. Today, once more, I am going to start chapter number 9, the Great Stone Face. And already we have completed in various lectures. Today, I am going to take page number 128, para number 3rd. Because till para number 2nd already we had done. And we knew it that the disappearance of gather gold from the valley and not making the similarity with the great stone face made the Ernest to believe that someone will come in the valley which would be the similar to the great stone face, whose face will also match to the great stone face. Now I am taking this one para, students. It so happened that another son of the valley had become a soldier many years before. After great deal of hard fighting, he was now a famous commander. Means Ernest is means narrator is going here to tell that it so happened that another son of the valley, means another child of the valley, had become the soldier, had become a soldier many years before. Means many years before, a child of the valley became the soldier, and it was not easily. He had took a great deal of hard fighting. Means he did hard work for becoming the soldier, and he was now a famous commander, and now he became the famous commander of the valley. He was known on the battlefield by the name of Blood and Thunder. There was a certain specialty with that commander. He was known in the battlefield that by the name of the Blood and Thunder. Blood and Thunder means the person when stand in the battlefield, it looks like thunder. Means where it goes, everything become clear. Old and tired now. Now he was tired. Tired means retired from the service and become old. He had lately expressed a desire to return to his native valley, and very lately he had expressed his desire. He had wished to return to his valley, native valley, to live again. The inhabitants, his old neighbors, had their grown up children. Means the inhabitants. The inhabitants means the people, those who were living in their valley. His old neighbors and their grown up children, means the children who were grown up there, prepared to welcome the renowned commander. Means renowned means famous commander. Means they made the preparations for the welcome of renowned means famous commander who was returning from the battlefield to the native valley. It was being said that at last the likeness of the great stone face had actually appeared. Means there was the saying in the valley that the man who was coming back was his face was likeness of the great stone face, and it had been appeared, and surely there would be the matching of the great stone face. Therefore was this excitement throughout the valley. That is why in the valley there was lot of excitement among the people, and many people who had never once thought of glancing at the great stone face now spent much time in gazing at it. Means in the valley the people those had never looked at Once they did not thought to look at the valley. Now they started spending lot of time at time engaging at it. Gazing means looking at the great stone face for the sake of knowing exactly how General Blood and Thunder looked, and for the knowing it that actually the Blood and Thunder commander how he was looking. Either he was looking the similar to the great stone face or the different. They were trying to it. They were trying to find out means what kind of the face was looking the soldier who was coming from the battlefield. Students, I am taking next pair also. On the day of the general's arrival, means when the day had come of the general's arrivals to the valley, Ernest and all the other people of the valley left their work. On that day, for the welcome of the commander, even the Ernest and the other people of the valley left their important works also and produced to the spot where a great banquet means feast had been prepared. Means what is here, and proceed to the spot, and they all went to that place where a great feast had been prepared. Feast means you know already dawat. It was a party had been prepared. Everybody went there because they wanted to meet, they wanted to see the face of the general. Soldiers stood on the ground. Flags waved and the crowd roared. May soldiers came, arrived there. They stood on the guard. They stood on guard. And what happened there? Flags waved. Flags which they were keeping in their hands were waved, and the crowd roared, and the crowd started shouting. What? Ernest was standing too far back to see Blood and Thunder's face. Ernest was standing too back, and he was looking at the face of the Blood and Thunder's face. Is the was the face similar to the great stone face? However, he could hear several voices. Where again means yet he could hear several voices, several words he was listening. He was standing far away from the crowd and listening the several voices. It's the same face exactly. Means people were talking each other that it was the exact face of the great stone face. Cried one man dancing for a joy, and for the joy they one man cried and started dancing. Means the people started dancing and said that it was the similar face of the great stone face. Wonderfully like it, that's a fact, replied another. Another person also replied that this is the amazing, wonderfully like it, and it was the fact. The same face is there, same face was there, and a similarity there, and why not? Cried a third. A third also cried surprisingly, said, why not? He is a greatest man of this or any other race beyond a doubt. Means without any doubt in the of his age, of any other age, he was just the greatest man of the valley, and similar his face is similar to that great stone face. Ernest at last could see the general's face, and at last Ernest could see the general's face, and in the same glance to the side, and then he saw the in the same glance, in the same time he saw the face of the great stone face. He glanced. Glanced means looked at the great stone face, but he found just different. He found there is a just different. He could also see the great stone face. If there was such a likeness as a crowd proclaimed, Ernest could not recognize it. May proclaimed means होता said loudly, announced. As the crowd announced that it was the same shape of the great stone face, but the Ernest could not recognize. He found there was no similarity between the face of the commander and the face of the great stone face. So he became disappointed. Fear not, Ernest, said his heart. And in the same time, Ernest's heart said that fear not, Ernest. As if the great stone face was whispering to him, and it was like the great stone face was whispering or talking to him, fear not, Ernest, he will come. And Ernest, don't fear. The same face person, kind and noble person, surely would come in that valley. Means here the great stone face was talking to him. Means he realized, he means Ernest realized it. Students, I am taking here comprehension check. One, this is given here, there are the true false. So I am going to express these also, and you have to complete in a book properly. Write true or false against each of the following statements. Means you have to write here true false against each of the following statements. Number one is the great stone face stood near where Ernest and his mother lived. This is here false. It was not near, it was far away, far off the places. Number two, one would clearly distinguish the features of the stone face only from a distance. This is true. True. Number third is Ernest loved his mother and helped her in her work. This is also true. Number fourth is though not very rich, Gather Gold was a skillful merchant. What is though not very rich, Gather Gold was a skillful merchant. False. Number fifth, Gather Gold died in poverty and neglect. Neglect, true. Gather Gold died in poverty and neglect. No, it was true here because he did not get in the last time. His money was disappeared from him. Number 6 is here the great stone face seemed to suggest that Ernest should not fear the general. There is a true here, and already he got an idea that his heart was saying, or great stone face was whispering that surely fear not, Ernest, he will come. Okay students, we will take here next paras. Question answer we will discuss in next lecture. Till then, goodbye.